Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
An oxygen machine increases dissolved oxygen using bubbles to improve fish health and beneficial bacteria activity. This guide teaches a safe, DIY aeration system using an external air pump, airline tubing, a check valve, and an air stone or diffuser. Always use a GFCI outlet and keep all electrical connections above the waterline to avoid electrocution risk. Position the pump below the tank waterline or install a check valve to stop backflow. Limit depth of an air stone to 1 meter for efficient gas exchange and avoid excessive back pressure. Choose an air pump rated 1 to 3 L/min depending on tank volume. Smaller tanks need 1 L/min and larger tanks 2 to 3 L/min. Use 4 mm inner diameter, ID, silicone airline tubing, and a silicone air stone 2 to 4 cm in diameter to produce fine bubbles that increase surface area. Add a check valve inline to prevent backflow and a 0.3 L/min adjustable valve or manifold if you split one pump to 2 outputs. Power with a 12V DC adapter or a mains pump rated for continuous use, and protect wiring with a drip loop and grounded plug. Assemble by attaching airline tubing to the pump outlet. Install the check valve with the arrow pointing toward the tank, then connect the air stone and lower it 10 to 60 cm below the surface depending on tank depth. Test for leaks at fittings and listen for steady airflow. Expect 1 to 3 L/min output depending on pump rating. Adjust flow to produce fine microbubbles without stirring substrate or stressing fish. Clean the air stone monthly by soaking it in a 1 to 10 bleach solution. Rinse thoroughly and replace every 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.